Gone 2 years now. Even if all these people that went to Ashur, even if they're all Eastern, they all should make all kinds pay all kinds of prices for the love which they want to incur. Vagoy, Agam Yitnu Vagoy, Atu Akapsen. There comes a moment when I take them all together. It means the individual Jew had gone, hundreds of Jews had gone to the Ashur, and each one wanted to assimilate. They paid a high price, and after the Baruch, then they were isolated at first. Then I take them all together, Yochela Ma'ot, and they begin to be diminished. Mimaso Melech V'Solin, a Melech Solin, from the burden, the tax burden of the king and the princess. Which means, what comes out is this: the Jew tries to assimilate. The result is Ephraim will try to mingle amongst the nations. Not going to help it. The nations don't want it. Eventually, they all get together, whether Ephraim is pushed back into his own territory before it's captured, or whether the Jews somewhere who lived in Mount Asher had to live in one particular area, like a ghetto, and then they begin to diminish. They were rich, wealthy, but then comes the muscle, the burden, which is imposed upon them individually, collectively, and then the kings of Asher then impose the burden upon the Patriotic, became worse and worse. They begin to diminish. Yochelo me'ot, Himoy, Mimaso, from the burden of Melech Sol, Melech V'Sol, Melech Sol, of the king and prince. Now, when this is one of the hardest pesukim, and we've learned in Bas, but I soon come to that, a parish on this proceed. The word Yisnu, has been explained in various forms. The best explanation is Yochela, they begin to diminish. That because it makes more sense as far as the context of the post is concerned, but there are various other solutions.